your boy Jay here from Marvelous Collectibles. Just doing a little update on how the process is going for the wall that I'm putting up in my toy dungeon room. I'm basically separating the living room. It's like, I'll show you guys. So you can see, that's a toy dungeon. I'm building the wall, doing the framing. This is my living room. As you can see, I got my collection a little bit everywhere. Doing the frame right now, so I could actually put the sheetrock up when I'm done with the frame. Got the middle for the door. Doing a little remodeling here and there. I'm actually gonna take my shelves off the wall. Thinking about doing something completely different. I haven't been doing like updates on me building this because honestly, guys, I've been shirtless, sweating hard body, and that's something I don't want to share with the world. But yeah, I just been working on this. As you can see, guys, I'm actually taking all these out of here. I'm gonna take these down also. Gonna have not too sure I'm gonna leave this shelf here or actually move it. Taking down my Terminator collection. Already took down my Ninja Turtle collection. Got my Ninja Turtle collection right here. But yeah, like I said, guys, a little process. You guys already know the wrestling collection is always gonna be there, and I'm always gonna have everything that I have in this room out. But for right now, I gotta put everything away and figure out how I'm gonna do the new setup. Like I said, excited about the walls you can see behind me. Building that myself. So far so good. But yeah, just a little update. Got a mess everywhere. Titles, championship, figures, a little bit of everything, tools in the way. You can see all the stuff that I'm using to build this. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys so far how it's looking. Give me one moment. What's going on, guys? And we're back with phase 2. As you guys already seen phase 1, how we started the whole project with the wall. Excuse the toy dungeon, it looks like crap right now working on this wall. But yeah, the framing is done. So we're about to put the sheetrock up. Got the sheetrock right here outside. Then we can focus on the inside. But yeah, wish me luck doing this for more. How you say that? Basically like less noise in the background and more you basically like focus on everything that's going on with the toy world and basically talk about things that we love to collect. Don't get me wrong, I love involving my family when I do my live streams. For my daughter, sometimes she doesn't want to hear it. So yeah, and at the same time, I keep my figure safe like this because now that she's getting older, she comes into daddy's toy dungeon room and she's like, what can I play with today? So yeah, we're building a force. But yeah, we'll be back and wish me luck. And we're back, guys. As you can see, got one side of the wall up. Yeah, hype about that. I'm hype. Honestly, I'm hype. It's just one side of the wall, but I'm hype. I got one side of the wall up. As you can see, it's a little mess inside the toy dungeon. Still working, still grinding. Try to make this project as fast as possible, but don't want to rush it neither, because when you rush things, nothing goes according to plan. So the fact that I've been working so much and trying to get this done, and with the YouTube channel and the family and etc., you gotta give me props for multitasking. I didn't go live last week because, as you can see, well, not last week, this week, because I'm still trying to get this bad boy together. But yeah, hopefully this Thursday I'll do a little live if I can. Let's see. I want to go live because honestly, this week, I keep saying last week because it's about to enter into the new week, but I didn't go live and I was already stressing. I went to see AEW live. It was pretty cool. Had a good time. Didn't go live the next day, so I was a little bit like, damn, in my head. But I just gotta get things done, guys. I appreciate all the support and love. We are, I believe, now 12 subscribers away from 500, so let's make that happen, Captain. I know it's a little corny right there, but hey, I had to say it. 500 subscribers away. I mean, yeah, I'm always backwards. 12 subscribers away from 500. So please help your boy Jay from Marvelous Collectibles get to his milestone so we could do this giveaway and make at least 5 subscribers happy. And hey, since I'm feeling a little generous, might make it 6 subscribers happy. But yeah, you know, the process is still going. Wish me luck. A little bit tired, a little bit gibberish too, because I just finished drinking some coffee. So yeah, excuse me. Peace. See you in a few. We're back, guys. As you can see, like I was saying earlier, one side of the wall is already up. Excuse the mess. Working on the wall. So far, I got this wall up too. Don't mind the gaps. That's all gonna be filled in with foam, and the gaps is gonna be filled in with the plaster. I had to do a little custom work on this side because the floor shifted. So as you can see in the bottom, I gotta put a piece of sheetrock there too, to, you know, have it out good. Don't worry, once it's finally done, you guys are gonna see how this bad boy is gonna come out. But yeah, so far just missing this little gap here, then the door will come in place. But yeah, so far so good. Like I said, those little gaps you guys see there, right there, there, the top area, that's gonna be all filled in with foam, and also seal the edges when I'm finally done. All the everything is gonna be filled in with plaster, as you guys can see. I already got the tape over it to fill it in with plaster, then sand everything down. Also patching the holes, sand everything down. But yeah, so far so good. Definitely be back with more updates. Like I said, work in progress. Don't want to rush it because I don't want nothing to come out crazy. So I'm taking my time. I started this project around, I say 12ish, because I was running behind. Ran to the store to get some things. Excuse the noise in the background. Got my kids making noise. But yeah, I'll be back. Wish me luck as I walk in the toy dungeon. Yes, sir. Hey, what's up, guys? Your boy Jay here from Marvelous Collectibles. Just giving you guys another update on the wall, how it's going so far. So far, as you can see behind me, I already patched up the holes and everything. Next, I gotta sand it down. Over here, I gotta open it because I'm trying to put some wire through to do something that you guys will see when it's done. Let me just turn it around real quick. But yeah, there you go. As you guys can see, I'm in the background. It's wifey and the family. Yep, my house is not normal. But yeah, hopefully soon and done. We got the outside. Now I gotta do the inside. You guys see in the background, always watching wrestling. But yeah, the guys, as you guys can see, I got a lot of stuff here from my collection and all that stuff. But yeah, little by little it's coming together. Can't wait. Can't wait. See you guys later. Be safe. And like I always say, collect what you love and stay marvelous. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jay. Just giving you guys an update. As you guys can see, the wall's officially up from the inside. Screws a mess in the background. Have to move the shelves around. But yeah, just missing that little corner over there. Gotta do the inside and outside. That'll be easy. It's at least 3 feet tall and 14 inches wide, so that's not too much, you know, compared to everything else that I did so far. But yeah, got the wall up on both sides. Now I'm basically gonna let this dry a little bit since I had to patch it up. Gotta do this side also and sand it down and then paint. I already got my paint downstairs in the basement, which I gotta bring up. Got it yesterday. Had to get it. I don't got the sample here, but it's definitely not a bright color, so I'm happy about that, because when I do my lives, it's gonna look more crazy. The way I'm gonna set it up and the way the color is gonna make my collection pop out, it's gonna be pretty cool. So yeah, stay tuned. My apologies for not going live. I miss everybody on my tour community and everybody else that just supports and just watches and has a good time in my channel. I appreciate all you guys. But yeah, definitely got some updates once I'm done. I'm definitely gonna do at least a, how can I say, basically a video of the room and show you guys the way it looks and the way I set it up. And I'm gonna hopefully have my G.I. Joe section, my Ninja Turtle section, my little bit of everything. Excuse the noise in the background. Got my son playing. Can't wait to get my door. But yeah, guys, have a blessed night, because it's night already. Be safe. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon on the next toy hunt or live stream or live event. Be safe, guys. Stay marvelous and collect what you love.